Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you datetime method in C# language. Why we require to use this datetime and how accordingly in our format, what the format we require to present is an output, how we will see. See, these all are very simple and very easy techniques. By seeing this lecture, you will understand how we are going to deal with the dates. See here, it's a predefined method of a datetime class I'm going to using here. See here, date time. It is displaying here. So the datetime class, by taking this datetime class, you can easily simply use all the methods which are available in datetime class. I simply present my current date time, and I'm going to assign a current date time to a variable, and with this help of this variable I'm going to write a different type of formats. How these all are required we'll see now, and by seeing this also you can represent the date time format how it is going to be displayed. Whether you want to display only date, you can, and if you want to display only month, yes you can, or you need only to display year, yes only the year only it's possible. How these simple steps, let's see here. A simple variable I'm taking like today, and that equal to I need to assign a date time called date time dot now. That's it. We can terminate this line. So what happens this line? The datetime class, what it will reads it's a read only the structure. So the system dot datetime will be taken care datetime dot now is going to be the current date and time what it is available in my local system or where the program is going to be executing. So this datetime will come and it will be assigned to this today variable. It's a called here it is defining, no, it is called like an object also we can say. So using this, how I am going to representing the date output in my console window. See CW. Here I am writing the CW, and in between I need to write I have already used today variable. So today dot, what is the today dot I have to use, and date, day of the week, year of the week. These all methods also we can use very simply and very easily. And what I am trying to doing here, I'm making like a customization of date. See today to like a string, yes, to making the customization of the string, what we need to do, to taking today dot to string, and within the double quotes I'm specifying my own custom format. By understanding taking of this format, you will play with the date. It's a more fun and you will be play more and more. So we'll see now. I would like to see like a date format of very simply how I can see. Yes, I'll take like a DD oblique MM oblique YYYY. Yeah, small y or capital Y also. There is a small, if it is a small y, there is a one type of format will come. If it is capital Y, one type of year will come. You will see all. See, as of now, as a standards of Indian standards, date, month, year I am presenting. Later I will show you how you need to present. You will see here. Today is 28 from my calendar. It is showing, and 5th month and 2021. See how it is coming. Very simple and very easy. So now, if I want to, first I want to see like a month. I'll shift the MM to there, and I'm shifting like a date in between, and I'm executing. How it will display now? Wow, first month, like a next date and year. So easy. The making of the customization, like a date time is going to be assigning to this variable. In this variable, I'm passing like a string dot to string I'm converting, and it is displaying like what is the specified format I'm requesting here. This format it is going to be making as an output. So now if I want to make like year at beginning, just remove this and 4 y's if I added, you will get. So if I don't want to like this forward slash, if I want these slashes, yes, you can just run it and you'll see. Wow, see how it is. And similarly how the format is needed to you can see. And if you want to like till now we have seen the numbers only, what is the date and how when it is to be. And now I will write a more extensive like today dot to string of one more format I'm going to adding here. The format would be like a dd comma dd and space month, like a month full. See here when I am typing it's displaying like Studio will help you. After dd if I am typing, see month abbreviated only 3 m's. If it is 4 m's it's a month full. So you will see like that. And 4 m's it is there. And next it is y. Yeah, 3 y's means 3 to 4 digit year. 4 digit year means 4 y's. 5 digit year means 5 digit. So you will get more and more informations like this way. So if I am given this standardization of the format, what I am getting? So we'll try to execute over here. Yeah. See, 5th 28 2021 as beginning we have specified the date time format. And the next level we have written something like see 4DDD means like a Friday, a day of the week. So we are getting, and 2DD means the date and space. 4MM means May, MEAY, full month of name of the month we are getting. And year y means 4 y's like 2021 year we are getting. How the custom format is very simple and easy. And similarly I would like to show you one more format like console.writeLine. Yeah, today date time also we'll see now. Okay, so interesting. I hope so. I think no one is getting bored. Like I have prepared many strings. I'll share with you. Yes, and even the date you want to like minutes and seconds, you will get like this type of formats. Yeah, I'll take a copy. Very simply, I'll take a copy and I'll paste over here. See, I'll run this. Month, date, year, hour, minute, seconds. Oh, on execution time, see this. 5th 28 2021, 15 hours, 11 minutes, 50 seconds. See, the microseconds also you will get. Why? Because the microseconds are required means the transactions may go through in microseconds only or nanoseconds. So you have to read, and based on the seconds or micro or nanoseconds, you need to work with the functionality. Accordingly, you'll use many of the formats I'll give you. I'll share with you like many of the date time formats are here. And you just try to work out more and more and try to practice yourself, and you will get much information. Okay, this we have discussed, and this is also, and hours, minutes, seconds with this, along with this format. Like what you want to know here means what is coming if it is a capital M, what is coming if it is small m, what is coming if it is a capital 4 m's, and HH, MM, SS, hours, minutes, seconds, small h, small m, small t, what it is coming. You try to apply all the parameters and all levels, and you will get the GMT also. See, so many outputs, so many I am describing here. You try to practice more and more of all these exercises and examples. You will very clear to converting date time formats. I hope it's a very easy and simple lecture for you. We'll sit on next lecture like verifying the span between two dates. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.